Okay, so last weekend I took on this huge task of cleaning and reorganizing and decluttering my beauty room. This has been like an ongoing project for so long, and it has been such an overwhelming sort of a thing. You know, one of those things that is always like lurking on the back of your head, and until and unless that is not done, you don't feel at peace. That's exactly what I've been feeling. It used to be this organized chaos, but it quickly turned into this huge chaotic mess that was really effing with my like headspace, and I knew I had to do something. So first thing that I did was like call in these urban clap guys to like deep clean my house. They came in and they deep cleaned everything, and I didn't realize that I had to put everything down for that. All of my like makeup and everything, it all came into the floor. And then I went in the room. I just literally burst out crying because I was so overwhelmed. I could not do this myself, and I called up Roshni. I said, listen, I think I need your help again. If you guys haven't watched my videos from the past where she came in and helped me organize my wardrobe, I'm going to link it like down below. It was like a two-part video because there was so much to do at that time. And so I said, can you please come back and help me? I really need to organize my beauty room. And she came in and we kind of just went for it, and I feel amazing now that that's done. I literally have thrown away so much stuff. I have an idea of exactly what I have, and I just literally got so inspired, and I had like so many video ideas while I was just cleaning it. Suddenly it just was an amazing feeling. It felt like I had so much weight off of my shoulder gone. I also found so many things to give away, like so many, like I literally have a pillar of things to just give away. So I want to do something with that really soon. Me and Roshni were like, can we do like an everyday May sort of a series where we give away like every day of May? That's literally how much stuff I found out that I should be just giving away and not hoarding. So yeah, she had this really nice game plan. Basically, she said we will take everything out, like literally dump everything out on the floor, and you have to sort everything according to the category. So I had to sort all of the face washes, all of the shampoos, all of the conditioners, all of the lipsticks, contour, blushes, highlighter. You get the gist. And then we find a house for everything, and then we put them back in that way. So that's what we did. Took us a day and a half. So we started day one at 9 in the morning, and she left at around 5, and the next day she came in around 6 o'clock in the morning, and then we restarted again. But yeah, that's everything that's going to be shown in this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and let's get started. So this is the before of the room. We have stuff everywhere. Everything's on the floor. It's a total mess in here. I do have like a few things that I had organized, but it never really stays. I do have a lot of stuff organized inside those shelves you see over there, but I do have like a lot of boxes coming in, and things just pile up and pile up. I also need to find out places for these suitcases. So yeah, you remember this infamous bathroom, of course. I still have my stuff there. There's stuff organized in the drawers. Like I have like my highlighters, my contours, my powders, all separated, but like there's just so much stuff. Okay, so the game plan is to remove everything that you see here, literally every product, and sort them. So let me show you a little bit of the progress that we've made. So I am just segregating products according to their type. So all of the mascaras go here, primers and face mists go there, foundations, brushes, lip balms. So I've got like my facial creams here. Then I have like serums there, all of the face washes there, all of the body lotions there, and we're just like bringing all of the stuff from there in here and segregating it. Let's give you guys an update on how it's going. So I have some more lipsticks segregated, some more eye stuff, a lot of skincare stuff. Yeah, it's getting there. But if you look at the room, you see major progress because stuff is out of the floor at least and out of everything that was up there. Oh my god, I haven't seen it this clean in forever. That already looks so good. So we're organizing all of the drawers now, and that is so satisfying. She put in these boxes that I got packages in inside the drawer, and yep, that is so satisfying. So this is the before of the perfume section. So this is the after for the perfume shelf. We have all like separated them and put them in boxes and place them just so that it's a little bit more organized. And we also found a house for my paper, my printer paper, and then I kept my printer here because it's right next to my work desk. So this is the before of the skincare shelf. So we're kind of doing the same thing. We pulled out everything from the shelf and now I'm segregating them as their usage. So these are all serums. These are things that I am not particularly very excited about. These are all my creams. These are all my body lotions. I've got facial cleansers, scrubs, hand creams, a mug of tea to get me going. I don't know how she does it. Yeah, we're getting there. So these are all of the stuff that I have chucked away. There's so much, like bags and bags of old makeup. Like all of my old eye makeup, everything is thrown out and it's out of the house. And now everything that I've segregated outside will go into that skincare cabinet. So we're just going to merge that. Wipes. Huh?
So you're telling me.
You're putting in my
Wipes and your safety pin.
Oh, you found a cute little place for my safety pin.
Earbuds,
Oh, look at this safety pin house. Cool. So this is an overview of everything. We're getting there, we're getting there. Oh my god. We are getting there with the organization. I have segregated all of the Bath and Body products, all of the serum, all of the facial creams, all of the sunscreens, eye cream and everything. I realized that I have more stuff in the drawer. So I think it's time to kind of organize all of that too. Like these are products that are skincare too, so I need to organize all of them instead of like just dumping them in the drawer like this. Like there's more stuff in there. So this is what she's done for here. I think this is all of my face masks in here. Then I have all of my sheet masks in here. I don't know what this is. Oh, these are all of my travel products, like all my travel size products. It's so satisfying that, and those are all of my travel pouches. We're still left with this. Okay, so those are all of the serums kept in this drawer. We've got facial mists in here. What are these? Toners? Okay, so we've got toners in here. They're all body lotions. This is the travel one. Can we put it in the travel pile? The Joe Malone one. Time to bin stuff. Lots and lots of stuff getting binned. This one should be okay. Okay. Okay, so we have moved on to makeup. So what we're planning on doing is moving all of the lipsticks over there. So I'm just basically just dumping all of my lipsticks. Dumped everything in the drawers. we will sort it in some time. That's all of the lipsticks. That's all of the primer. That's all of the liners. Yeah, we've got like all of high-end makeup here. So we are organizing all of the eyeshadows. Okay, so we are right now just dumping products and separating them as categories. I've got foundations, primers, highlighters, lip balms, eyeshadow all over there, lipstick from there to how many drawers?
4 drawers.
4 drawers of lipsticks. So that's it for day one. We are kind of leaving it this way. There are just so many things and I am kind of overwhelmed. I have period cramps and we kind of want to take our time to do this. She has to go too and we have more stuff to kind of sort. So we are kind of giving this a rest. Okay, so it's 6:30 in the morning and we are picking it up right where we left. I think we should be done today. So we only have this and organizing all of the makeup left right now. We're done with the desk. So now we're going through all of the containers one by one and also bifurcating and segregating everything. I found out these brushes that I don't use anymore. So they go straight out. So I had like previously organized them all in Ziploc bags according to brand, and now I'm just like opening it all up and separating them according to type and putting them all in their respective drawers. So now I have segregated all of the hair stuff. We've got all of the hair serums, there's more makeup removers. Yeah, and the process continues. There is so much stuff in the trash. They threw away so many of these old nail polishes that don't work anymore. So I'm separating more makeup. It just feels so satisfying to do this. Okay, time to segregate all of my brushes. I was halfway through it when I realized that I should be filming this. So I am putting all my smaller brushes in here, face like contour brushes in here, face brushes here, smaller brushes here, and I've got more to sort. More brushes in there. I for now have tentatively kept all of my sponges in here. These are all of my lip liners, all of my eyeliners, all of my mascaras. Oh, it feels so good. So I have a pile of unopened stuff here. Some of them are giveaway, some of them I haven't unboxed yet, so I need to start doing that. So these 2 boxes are just for giveaway. Like that's everything I could find to give away, so I could put them in separate containers. So we are almost done here. Got all of my makeup brushes, everything in drawers. The drawers need to be organized, so that's for some other day. I have to sit down and segregate all of the lipsticks by color, by type, segregate all of my eyeshadows, which I can't even open right now. There's more eyeshadows in here. How stunning is this back later? But yeah, all of this needs to be organized like individually inside the drawer. But for now, we've pretty much like separated everything. Everything at least has a house right now. So all my powders, like all of my face creams. What are these? More creams. Toners and face mists. Hair stuff. Body lotions. more body lotion, all of my serums, and I think more hair stuff, giveaway stuff, more storage. Kind of put everything in there. This is all hair stuff in there. So that's it. That's the end of this video. Thank you so much. I hope this was, I don't know, relaxing. I don't know. I guess it was fun to watch. Let me know what you think about it in the comments down below. Yeah, that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.